Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone so you can write and run JavaScript immediately. Install a lightweight editor that saves files locally and a browser with developer tools. This gives you both editing and runtime. Once done, enable developer options or install a JS Runner app to execute scripts directly. Make sure to have a simple file manager to organize JS and HTML files. This setup saves time and avoids cloud delays, so you can iterate fast and test code on the actual device. You now write and test your code step by step. Start with an index. HTML that links main. JS so the browser can run your script. Save both files in an accessible folder. Open the file in your phone browser or use the editor's live preview, then watch the console for logs and errors. Once you see results, expand, manipulate the DOM, add event listeners, and use fetch with async functions for network calls. Make sure to test after each change so you control what breaks. You finish by preparing your project for use and handling common issues. Minify or tidy your scripts and back up the final files to cloud or export them to a computer. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, test across browsers and screen orientations to ensure touch events and performance behave as expected. If something goes wrong, inspect the console, add targeted console. Log checkpoints, clear the browser cache, and reload local files. This usually reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.